students, welcome to E-Class. Myself, Smita teacher. Students, open your maths textbook, page number 51. New lesson we are going to start, fraction. What is meant by fraction? Fraction means the number is not a whole number. It is divided into some small pieces, that is called as fraction. Now we can divide the number into pieces, but with the one page I am going to explain you what is meant by fraction. See, this is one page. Okay, it is square in shape. But if I have folded this page one time, then how many parts are there of this page? 1 and this one 2. That means this one part is called as a half. Okay, this one part is called as a half. Suppose again I have folded it. Okay, then how many parts will be there? Just see. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. I will cut and I will show you. See, when I have cut one page, then how many parts are there? 2 parts. 2 equal parts of the figure, that is called as a half. The one part is called as a half. You are asking your mama, please give me a half chapati. Then how is she giving you? She is giving by cutting it into 2 pieces and giving you 1 piece. That is called as a half. Same way, one page I have cut it into 2 pieces which are same, equal. Okay, 2 equal pieces and one part is called as a half. This is called as a fraction. One part, it is not whole number. It is half of the one. Half. Now I am cutting again. See, then how many pieces I have made of the page? I am counting and telling you. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 pieces are equal. See, these 4 pieces are equal. So we can say it is 1/4. One part is called as 1/4. This is 1/4. And these 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. These 3 parts are called as 3/4. Okay, we have to learn these fractions. Got? Now, first we will see a half. First we will see half. How? Suppose there is one circle. I have cut it into 2 half parts. So one part is called as a half. It is called as a half. Now second figure, a quarter. It is a quarter. I am going to explain. Now it is one circle. I am cutting it into 4 equal parts. 4 parts are equal. Okay, I have cut it into 4 equal parts. And one part is called as a quarter or 1/4. We can say 1/4 also or a quarter. You can say here 1/4 or a quarter. Now third one, here we will learn 3/4. This one figure is cut into 4 equal parts, and out of 4 equal parts, 3 parts are taken. That is called as 3/4. It is called as 3/4. Did you understand this? Okay. Did you understand this? Now we will see how we can write the fractions. See, now I will explain you how to read a half and how to write it. See, one figure is divided into 2 equal parts. That one part is called as a half. Okay, one part is called as a half. How to read it and how to write it? We have to write it in this way. What is this? N shows numerator. and D shows denominator. Okay, n shows n and d. In this form, we have to write the fraction. We can't write only 1. We have to write 1 upon 2. Okay, like this. So, how to write? See here. First, find out how many total number of parts. 1 and 2. How many total number of equal parts? 1 and 2. 2. Write down 2 down. Now, how many parts are shaded? How many parts are colored? One part is colored. Okay. Shaded part is 1. It is called as a half. How to read? See. How to read it? It read as 1 upon 2. How to read 1 upon 2? Or 1 half. 1 upon 2 or 1 half. Once again I am telling, it is numerator. This one is numerator and this one is denominator. Okay. 1 is numerator here and 2 is denominator. Why 2 I have taken? First find out how many total number of equal parts in the figure. In the given figure. How many total number of equal parts? 1 and 2. 2 parts. So write down at denominator 2. Okay. Out of these 2 parts, how many parts are shaded? 1 part is shaded. So 1 write down here. Then this, it shows a half. This figure, this number shows a half. Okay. How to read this? 1 upon 2. How to read 1? This line stands for upon. 1 upon 2 or 1 half. 1 upon 2 or 1 half. You have to write this in your notebook 3 times. Your homework, you have to write this 3 times. Okay. Now we will see next 1/4. You have to take screenshot because homework I have given. So you have to write this 3 times. It is your homework. All these figures and everything you have to write 3 times. Now we will see 1/4. Second is 1/4. 1/4 or a quarter also we can say. Okay. Now take one figure, cut it into 4 equal parts. Okay. 1 shows 1. So color 1 part. It is called as 1/4. It is called as 1/4. Can you tell here numerator and denominator? Denominator means total number of parts. How many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Total number of parts are 4. Out of 4 equal parts, how many parts are colored? Only 1. How to read it? 1 upon 4. How to read 1 upon 4? Otherwise, 1/4. 1/4. Or 1/4, 1/4 or 1/4. You can say 1/4 also. In these 3 ways, we can read this number. Okay. Numerator is 1, denominator is 4, 1 upon 4 or 1/4 or 1/4. Okay. For this figure, we can write this number and it shows 1/4. You have to write this information 3 times. That is your homework. Take screenshot to write the homework, to complete the homework. Okay. Now we will see 3/4. What we have to? 3/4. In our heading only all things are there. If word quarter has come, then you have to make 4 equal parts of the given figure. See, this is one figure, make 4 equal parts. Got? Now how many parts I have to shade? 3. 1, here 2 and here 3. Then can you write for this figure numerator and denominator? Can you write? Denominator means Total number of equal parts. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. How many parts are shaded here? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. Okay, how to read this number? How to read? First way, how to read? 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. Otherwise, 3/4. 3/4. Otherwise, 3/4. 3/4. Okay. In this way, you can write the fraction and you can read it. This is your homework. You have to write 3 times. You have to write this information 3 times. Now, I have told you the fraction if we have cut the figure into 2 or 4 equal parts. But suppose there are many parts, then what to do? I will explain with one example. If the figure is cut into more parts, then how to write the fraction? Some other fraction. That is your heading. Some more fractions. Okay, some more fractions that we see. This is one figure. I have cut it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you have to write fraction for this. But I did not shade here. I did not shade the parts. First we have to shade the parts. Now can you write the fraction for this figure? Total number of parts. D shows total number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of parts are 5. And how many parts are shaded here? 1, 2, 3. 3 upon 5. Okay. 3 upon 5 is the fraction for this figure. Did you understand? Suppose another figure I have taken here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many total number of parts? 9. Out of 9 parts, I have colored. Now can you tell me the fraction for this number? Sorry, fraction for this figure. See, total number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write down 9 down. How many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fraction for this figure. 5 upon 9. Got? So students, in this way you have to do your homework, which I have given in the video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, stay healthy and study well.